Today I will show you how to compare two branches on GitHub, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Once that's done, we're going to go to the far right where we see the icon that displays our display image. We click on that and we go to repositories. Now on the repositories, we're going to find the repository that we want to compare the two branches for, and we're going to click into the repository. Now that we have this repository here, to be sure that we have multiple branches, we're going to click on this arrow, and you can see we have the dev branch, we have the main branch, and we have the new branch one. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare the dev branch and the new branch one. So to do that, we're going to go to pull requests. Now on the pull request, we're going to create a new pull request, and this is where we're going to compare changes of the branches. So you see, the dev branch is the base branch, and what we want to compare to the dev branch, we're going to choose it here. We're going to say new branch 1. So we are comparing these two branches. Now it says there isn't anything to compare. Dev and new branch are identical, so really there isn't nothing to compare. But let's go back, let's change the branch, and let's add a file to this branch. And we're going to name the file tests.md, and we're gonna commit these changes to this branch. So we're gonna add a commit message created test.md branch, and we're gonna commit directly to this new branch. So we'll commit changes. Now once we go back to this branch, we should see test.md here, and when we go to the dev branch doesn't have test.md. Now already you can see that it says new branch 1 had recent pushes, so it's asking you to compare and make a pull request. So we're not going to click on this. We're going to go back to pull requests. We're going to go to new pull requests. And here, once we try to compare these two, we click on this and we click on new branch 1 to compare to dev. You can see it has changes here. So whilst you're comparing, it's going to show you the changes that are on this branch that aren't on this branch. Now that's how you compare two branches on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.